To clean the mass airflow sensor or MAF sensor, first remove the airbox cover. Using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, loosen the airbox connecting hose clamp. With a pair of needle nose pliers, gently squeeze the top of the MAF sensor cable connector to disengage it, then pull it up to disconnect it. Release the 2 airbox cover clips. Lift the front of the cover up and gently slide it forward. Using both hands, move the cover up and down and pull it out of the connecting hose. Turn the cover upside down. Using needle nose pliers, disconnect the clip attaching the MAF sensor cable to the airbox cover. We are now ready to remove the sensor. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the sensor to the airbox cover. Gently pull on the sensor to detach it from the cover. Now examine the sensor to identify the different receptors located inside and around the sensor body. Always use a dedicated airflow sensor cleaning spray and follow the instructions found on the label. Spray enough solution to clean all the receptors inside the sensor and around the sensor body. Allow enough time for the cleaning solution to fully dry before reinstalling the sensor. With the output connector facing up, reinsert the sensor into the airbox cover and secure it by tightening the 2 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws, but make sure the sensor is fully seated inside the airbox cover. Reconnect the cable connector to the sensor and reinsert the cable clip into the cover. Insert the airbox cover into the connecting hose. Engage the rear brackets with the eyelets on the lower airbox. Press the front of the cover downward and secure it with the 2 clips. Tighten the airbox connecting hose clamp using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Finally, ensure the hose is securely seated to prevent air leakage. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.